Okay guys, so look, we haven't made a video in a long time. I might look a little fatter and my hair is growing, you know what I'm saying? Everything is going crazy. Look at me, I'm chubby right now, look. But I've been busy. I don't know what he's been doing, probably jerking off or something, I don't know. Yeah. But right now we're about to go, he said yeah. Alright, but look, we're gonna go show you guys some E30 pools. Nelson got an E30 tune, tuned by Ambot. We're gonna do like a little edit for you guys and like show you what's good. Show you what's good, man. Yeah, my reaction. I'm gonna go. Look at my dirty ass car though. You can see, look, dang, you can see it on the camera too. Dang. That shit dirty. Let's get into this video. Yeah, don't mind this hoodie. I feel kind of good. So this hoodie, it's like the messed up one. It's supposed to be a little lower, but go to shacobuilt.com.
Get yourself some merch.
Get yourself some merch. We got some Cyber Monday sales. I don't know if this video is gonna be up by Monday though. We should just give a discount code to the subscribers. Yeah, like we're not even gonna post it on Instagram or anything.
What you wanna make it? Sub 15?
Sub 15. It's gonna be right here. Sub 15. That's just for you guys. And we're not gonna put it on Instagram, nothing. This is just for the YouTube people. So
if you made it this far, you get yourself 15% off.
You a lit
boy.
Yeah, we haven't made a lot of videos. A lot of things have been going on. Yeah. Some stupid shit happened, and coronavirus like sticking a dick into my ass. Yeah, I don't know. Like, yeah, we're gonna get back at this. We got another few videos like we're about to do right now.
If you see us wearing the same clothes, mind your business.
Yeah, mind your business. I mean, maybe I just didn't want to take a shower.
That's why his hair looks ugly.
Yeah. See that shit? See that shit? This is the end of the video.
Hope you guys liked it.
We're gonna have a lot more content. Thanks to all the new subscribers. We've gained like 50 subscribers every single month.
Dude, that's been crazy.
Over 50 subscribers every month for the past.
That's a lot.
For the past year, and we haven't even been consistent. So thank you guys. But yeah, this is the video.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share it, and show all your friends.
And eat the booty.